So a lot of people don't like these drums because of, say when you say you go forward, then accidentally can hit it or somebody can hit it. So this is what I did. Esta es una pipa que está aquí, de puro fierro, de bien grueso, mira. Este es bien cuarto. Y lo que andamos haciendo son agujeros.
Vamos a hacer agujero a este. Vamos a hacer los platitos de atrás. Vamos a hacer los platitos de atrás del switch, de forward y reverse, del drum switch. Este va a ser este es el plato de arriba que tornilla la caja. Y este es el de abajo. Este está cero, este está offset. ¿Por qué? Porque acá arriba de la caja, aquí vamos a poner el weight. Y luego acá arriba vamos a hacer un design. Un stop switch, pero esto es lo que estamos haciendo ahorita.
Ahorita tomamos más fotos. We're gonna take more pictures. Estos platos los vamos a voltear aquí. Los vamos a voltear aquí. Y estos platos que están aquí son es el amarre de aquí atrás. Once I get that once I get this painted and that drum switch on it, which will go over here in this piece. We'll take some pictures and all. This is the Square D drum switch, forward and reverse switch. Just missing a handle up here. That. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna go ahead and try and do one. You see that? This is my rough draft. I'll go ahead and start cutting it. This is my hand. Look at the handle. It's about 5 inches right here.
So I'm going to go ahead and cut it out and let's see how it comes out, okay? Can't really hold it here, but... Oh, right there. This is only the rough draft, so you gotta find it out.
That's gonna be this is the rough draft. Grinding my groove, but let me see if I could do a little bit with this thing.
it could be similar to this side. That's what I'm doing. This is my last little fix to it that I need to do. Probably just file it down, smooth it out, or whatever. It should be ready to rock. See the little grooves right there are where it hits on this. Yeah. This way right now.
I'm gonna grind it real slow, that way I won't ruin it. I can't do it with one hand. So I'm gonna put an end to this and show it off later. Product. I went and go ahead and did thread here. I did a 3/8 24 thread. This stuff is real hard to do because this is a flat bar. You never try this. Either it would be this option, which still works, or you can always cut it off or weld a 3/8 24 bolt. Cut the bolt down and weld it here and grind it off, and it'll be kind of still works really good. And this is what it is. So the idea would be to put it in here. You see it's a little bit loose. Why? Because you don't have a fully round bar here or for the thread. But once you go in deeper, it'll kind of gets tighter, which is what we're looking for anyway. So see, so it would go like that. Kind of like that. And this is what came out. So this is the swish, the drum swish. Can't do it with one hand, but anyways, the idea would be to put it in here, this way. See there? All I need is a screw, which I don't have. And then we'll switch it. But I can't switch it. There you go. So you have the design where it won't hit the bolt. And that will do the same thing to the other side. Center. Then same way the other side. Finish of it. This is what it just painted it about less than 30 minutes. So a lot of people don't like these drums because of, say when you go forward, then accidentally can hit it or somebody can hit it. This is what I did. So I did this whole box right here. You can see the other videos. So I did those bushings right there, designed this. I did the handle. See that little pin right here from a bolt. All you do is just drop it in here. So you would use it for this side. You never come this way. Yeah. And same way to this side. So you would this stuff is so sticky. So you drop it there. You would use it to this side, and you would hit there. And there's no way of. That's how it would work really well. Looking pretty good. Not too bad. Look at that. Aquí está, mira, aquí está el switch, the little safety thing here. And here's the switch. We'll crank it up. We'll go that way. off there. This is a little safety switch that I did. I put it down here. Wait for that to stop. We go this way. Alright. That's the counter shaft that I did. That's a 5 horsepower motor. It's working pretty good. So it hits right there. That's the safety. And we try the other side. We turn it the other way. Vámonos. We're gonna crank it up very soon.